Hello, grade 10 ICT students. We are now in our third week. Let me welcome you all with our new topic about Internet protocols. This is ICT teacher Sherilyn S. Bisuenya. Your learning competency this week is about assigning IP address to clients and servers. Your guide questions: what are the common Internet protocols, and what is the function of Internet protocols in a network? Let us first define an Internet protocol. When we say protocols, it requires messages to arrive within a certain amount of time so that computers do not wait indefinitely for messages that they may have been lost. A protocol is a set of rules. For example, in sending email via Google, it follows a certain protocol to make sure that the message was sent correctly from the client to the recipient. Here are examples of Internet protocols. First, we have the TCPIP, or the Transmission Control Protocol Internet Protocol. It is a suite of protocols and has become the dominant standard for internetworking. TCPIP represents a set of public standards that specify how packets of information are exchanged between computers over one or more networks. So when you use the internet, usually it is using the TCPIP. Next, we have the IPX-SPX, or Internetwork Packet Exchange, or Sequenced Packet Exchange. It is the protocol suite originally employed by Novell Corporation's Network Operating System, or NETBEUI. We also have the NETBEUI, or NetBIOS Extended User Interface. It is a protocol used primarily on small Windows NT networks. NetBEUI cannot be routed or used by routers to talk to each other on a large network. So again, this is primarily for small Windows networks. We have the AppleTalk. AppleTalk is a protocol suite used to network Macintosh computers. It is composed of a comprehensive set of rules that span the 7 layers of the Open Systems Interconnection, or OSI, reference model. So on the picture here, this is the 7 layers of the OSI model. Again, from the term itself, AppleTalk, this is for Macintosh computers. Next, we have the HTTP, or Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It governs how files such as text, graphics, sound, and video are exchanged on the World Wide Web, or WWW. We also have the FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, and it provides services for file transfer and manipulation. FTP allows multiple simultaneous connections to remote file systems. So just like, for example, when you're using your ShareIt, so it uses FTP to transfer files. SSH, or Secure Shell, is used to securely connect to a remote computer. Telnet. It is an application used to connect to a remote computer that lacks security features. We also have the POP3 or Post Office Protocol. It is used to download email from a remote mail server. IMAP or Internet Message Access Protocol is also used to download email from a remote mail server. SMTP, so Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is used to send email to a remote email server. So those are the examples of Internet protocols. So let us review what we have learned. First, Internet protocol requires messages to arrive within a certain amount of time so that computers do not wait indefinitely for messages that they may have been lost. And number 2, the common Internet protocols are TCPIP, IPX, SPX, NETBEUI, AppleTalk, HTTP, FTP, SSH, Telnet, POP3, IMAP, and SMTP. And it's time for your activities. So, from your last about Internet protocols, answer Activity 1 on page 2, Activity 2 and 3 on page 3, and Reflection on page 4. Once done, you may send it offline using USB or online through Messenger or email. Thank you, class, and see you next week.